The hijab does provide protection.
It's not about, are men going to look at me?
Why are you covering your face?
Wouldn't it be easier? Why, right?
Why are you covering your hair?
They want to.
Women are objectified.
Great offence to Muslims.
It's not just about religion.
What the hell are we getting involved for?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our series titled Why, where we discuss various acts of worship and the wisdoms behind them. Today we're talking about why Muslim women wear the hijab. Now, what you have to understand is that in Islam, acts of worship are not just rituals to be followed blindly. They hold deep meaning and are rooted in obedience to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So, why do Muslims pray? Why do they perform Hajj? Why do Muslim men grow their beards? Why do we give charity? And why do Muslim women wear hijab? It's all an act of devotion and submission to our Creator Allah. Allah said in the Quran, say to the believing woman, lower your gaze, guard your private parts, and do not show your beauty except that which needs to be shown. The scholars say this is referring to the hands and the face, so everything else has to be covered up. There are, however, some scholars that would include the face in that which needs to be covered up, hence why some sisters wear the niqab. The word hijab comes from the Arabic root word meaning barrier or partition. It is important to know that when we're talking about the word hijab or jilbab, we are referring to the clothes that cover the body of a woman, not just the headscarf. Additionally, the concept of hijab extends beyond just physical clothing. It encompasses modesty in behavior, in speech, and also in appearance. The wearing of the hijab is absolutely not a recent invention. It predates the Quran and has been practiced by pious women throughout history. The best example is when we look at Maryam, Mary, the respected mother of Isa alayhi salam, Jesus Christ, is often depicted with a head covering. Modesty and the concept of covering oneself were valued in many societies, and this is something that can be easily observed when you look at the history and cultures of many societies. So why do Muslim women wear the hijab? The answer lies in their commitment to obeying Allah's commandment. It's between them and Allah, just as their prayer and their fasting is between them and Allah as well. The hijab, however, offers numerous benefits and wisdoms. By covering themselves, women are protected from objectification and being looked at with lustful eyes. They are shown respect and honor for who they are as individuals rather than being judged solely based on their appearance. In every society, every culture, modesty is practiced to some extent. However, if this is left to personal discretion and individuals, then where would you draw the line? Which is why you need Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, our Creator, to tell us where the divinely set limits are. This ensures consistency and establishes a shared understanding of what modesty is. It is also very important to clarify that the hijab is not a symbol of oppression like many try to paint it as. Nor is it really a symbol of feminism or freedom. It is a symbol of obedience to Allah, a personal commitment to align one's actions and appearance with the teachings of Islam. Our sisters wear the hijab as an expression of their faith, their identity, and self-respect. It's a reminder that they live their lives not according to themselves, but according to how their Creator wants them to live. This is why Muslim women wear the hijab.